Hi everybody, this is another type of stir fry dish, and this is I have no meat in here, just just a vegetable. First, I have add some fat, pork lard in, and as when it's hot, I add in the garlic in this when the garlic I turn golden yellow, when I turn the gold yellow, I add pineapple, the one in the core. I cut it first, and then I stir it, and then I add the sliced pineapple in, and I stir it, and then add the cucumber in, and then I stir, and then I add the tomato in, I stir. Finally, I add the inside of the cucumber when I separate it, and this one, and I stir, and then I add seasoning my fish sauce, and today I add a little bit coconut. If you don't have it, skip it and just add the soy sauce and stir, mix and eat, and that's it. And then add the scallion in and turn up, and that's it. That's all. It's not a lot of water. Right now it's overcooked because I want to let you see how that when it's cooking is much like interesting than the no cooking style. So you don't worry about the juice. You can add the juice in the white rice, and you eat this. Very tasty, very good. Usually I like it. That's good. I like the tomato cooked like this, so I can use the juice to eat with the white rice. That's easy for swallowing the rice, the food, better than the dry one. That is a little tip, for you to see and how my another stir fry vegetable without meat. If you have beef or pork, whatever, you can add in. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.